All right, hey everyone. Some of you might have some questions about the homework, so I figure I'd help you get started. I'm not going to do all of them, but I'm going to give you an idea of how to begin. So if I look at number one, it says I have a scale factor of 1.5 and I have a figure triangle A, B, C. Okay. Down here are our new points. These are the original points. So what will our new points be if I apply a scale factor to 1.5? Well, we know that the original A is -4 comma -2. Okay, we know that our b is -2 comma 4, and our c is 4 comma -2. Let me erase that real quick. Okay, c is 4 comma -2. So I need to multiply all of those values by 1.5 or 3 over 2 to get my new points. So the first thing we know is that because my scale factor is 1.5, we know that my algebraic representation is 1.5x comma 1.5y. Okay, from there, we're going to multiply 1.5 times my x values and 1.5 times my y values. So 4 times 1.5 is 6. Okay, so my new a will be -6. Okay, and then 1.5 times 2 would be, carry the 1, 3. Okay, so that means this will be 6 comma -3. Then my b, because all these values are the same, 4 and 2, we're just going to change the signs, right? So we have b, my new b is going to be -3 comma +6. And then my c would be 6 comma -3. Okay, all I did was multiply each of my x and y values by 1.5, and then I should be able to plot my new points. So my new a would be -6 comma -3, which would be here. My new b would be -3 comma +6, which would be here. And then my new c would be 6 comma -3, which would be here. Okay, and then I should be able to see a much larger triangle. Well, not much larger, but by 1.5 times larger. Okay, so that's how I would approach that problem. You can do problems 2, 3, and 4 just like that. Okay, so then if I look on 5 through 10, they're wanting us to find the scale factor from our new to our original, or how we went from our original to our new. So say I took, let's look at 5, for example, and you're going to do all of these the exact same way. I'm going to pick a point, and remember, to find scale factor is new over original. So remember, in this one, the new is that right there, okay? Whereas this guy is my old, okay? So I'm going to take the new, which is, I'm going to use this point right here and this point right here. So I have 4 comma 9. So u prime is 4 comma 9. And then on my original, I have 8 comma 18. Okay, so for me to go from my new to my original is 4 over 8 or 9 over 18. 4 over 8 reduces to, if I were to simplify 4 over 8, that would reduce to 1 over 2 or 0.5. So my scale factor here would be 1/2. Okay, they don't want to algebra, and then it says after we figure out our scale factor, what is the algebraic representation? Well, that tells me that it's 1/2 x, comma 1/2 y. Okay, So you're going to go through the rest of those questions and figure out your scale factor by setting up new over original. And then you're also going to apply the scale factor to make your algebraic representation. So pay attention to which ones you're new and pay attention to which ones you're original. And then the same thing for 9 and 10. We're going to figure out a scale factor without a picture. You have G, H, and I. All you have to do is pick one because this is all a part of the same figure. Remember, new is here, original is here. So you're going to do new over original. You can pick any point to do this. I'm going to pick I. So I prime over I regular or new original. So that would be 7 over 8. Okay. So 7 over 8. That reduces as low as it can. I can't go any further. So 7 over 8 is my scale factor. And my algebraic representation would be 7 over 8x, comma 7 over 8y. All right, so hopefully that helps you with your homework. Remember, if you have any questions, send a message, ask another teacher, or ask for an advisory pass. Okay?